Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a moment of irony in the ongoing reshaping of Britain's railways, specifically the return of South Western Railway to public ownership. But rather than a triumphant relaunch of nationalised rail, the first service ran by bus. At precisely 1:59 a.m. on Sunday, South Western Railway officially transitioned back into public ownership. This marks the first major step under the current government's initiative to bring the railways under the new Great British Railways structure, reviving a model many will remember from the British Rail era. However, the inaugural service under this nationalised banner was not a train at all. Owing to scheduled engineering works, the first journey, a service from Woking to London Waterloo, was in fact operated by a rail replacement bus. A minor detail perhaps, but one that hasn't escaped the attention of railway followers and media alike. It's a start that many have found ironic, and understandably so. For railway historians, it's a reminder that infrastructure planning and scheduling can often undermine well-intentioned symbolism. But beneath the surface, this move represents a much larger shift, one aimed at increasing accountability, long-term planning, and public benefit within the railway sector. South Western Railway now joins a growing list of operators under public control. As part of the GBR framework, the hope is for more consistent investment, simpler ticketing, and services that better reflect the needs of passengers and communities. Still, challenges remain, particularly around funding, capacity, and delivering reliability amid ongoing engineering works. So what's your take? Is this a meaningful step forward for Britain's railways, or are we merely witnessing history repeat itself? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, do consider giving it a like, sharing it with fellow railway enthusiasts, and subscribing for more in-depth looks at the state of Britain's transport network. Until next time, thank you for watching.